Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily add Excel sheets to your website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they have is Excel sheets. So let's click sign up for free. And when you got it, you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's really up to you. So when you got it and you logged in, you want to click on login, and you're gonna see applications here, and all you have to do is just write here Excel, and you're gonna see here file empt. That's what you're looking for. And when you got it, you can choose between PDF file, and you're gonna see it here Excel table. Let's continue with the template, and right here you're gonna see files, and you just want to click on it and just upload your PDF file, and that's it. So then just click save here. And right after it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic, pro, or enterprise version. So let's copy the code here. And all you have to do is just add HTML to your website and just paste it. Let's click update. And let's click preview. And voila, here we got it. So this is how you can simply add Excel sheets to your website. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. And I definitely recommend, guys, if you have any problems about implementing your Excel sheets to your website, write to apps@elsite.com and they'll be really helpful to help you. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.